Hobnobs. Hobnobs. Oh, the word just excited on it, man. Hobnobs. Alright, here, man. Here, man. Here to Lou. Here you are, Bill. Not Mom. No. Here, Bill. Here you are, Mom. Hobnobs. 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 You love hobnobs. So there's 2, 4, 6, yeah. There's 2 each. Alright, I thought you stole one, Mum. Oh, you hadn't. Alright, Mum. Alright, Mum. Nice. Yeah, nice. Nice. Yeah, Mum. Nice. Nice. Good girl. Hey, yeah, Mum. Hey, yeah, Mum. Hey, yeah, to Lou. Do them in order. Hey, yeah, Bill. I'll do you first next. So, hobnobs. Hobnobs. Oh. Hobnobs. There you are, Bill. A late hobnob treat. A Christmas treat, we'll call it, because the tree's up. And there you are, Mum. There you are. It's all gone now. Hobnobs. 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 Sleep. Hobnobs. Look, I've got them left. You can lick me hand on. Hey, hobnobs. Funny. Thank you so much for your views. Buff and Luke, JC Moore, Ethel Mackenzie, Chrissy M, Female J, 777, Staffy Lady. Thank you for your views. I don't get many, but it's your views and your comments what keep the gang going. And I've been busy this week, so I haven't done too much. So, hobnobs, all gone. Billy, hobnobs, all gone. All gone, Bill. You're not soft, are you, son? And just like to say, thank you. Have a very happy Christmas and a happy New Year, honestly. Because that's all we've got for 2021, haven't we? I'm not being political, but thank you so much. Who's that? Oh, Money. Oh, Billy's getting up with his dad, aren't you? Hey, that's it. Hey, you're all... The lights are going off now, so as soon as the lights go off, you know it's bed. And it's hasta por mañana. Thank you so much. Be safe. God bless.